I don't know what to do. Yeah? Okay, you are an innocent. Find the fuses that are scattered around the map and power up the portal to escape. So, don't shoot unless you're 100% sure. Ghost possesses players. Bro, wait, I need instructions. Patient Zero is coming for you. Complete tasks in order to power the portal. Please, Patient Zero, or an innocent elude. What? What's a ghost? What? Why did I die? Wait, that's me! He stole my body! Stop! No, you're me. You got blood on your hands, sister. Spray tan all over my hands. Wait, okay, so it's one of those who's real, who isn't games. So it's just like you gotta avoid everyone and then you gotta find fuses. I got spit over my chin. That made me so mad. Is that a fuse? Yeah, bring it back here. So wait, who's the little dude? Is that the little dude? That's the guy who killed me? All right, so he's shooting him to death now. Bro, you guys suck at aiming. Wait, this system is telling you skins equals wins. It's scamming you. It's saying, hey, buy our skins and you'll win. That's not true. I'm switching. They weren't nice to me. All right, so I'm in a Russian server, so I can't tell if they're being mean to me or not, which is great. Hey guys, if you're ever getting bullied, just go to a different country. You won't know if they're bullying you or not, unless they're punching you, but that could be part of their culture. All right, I'm skipping this because it's just gonna make someone kill me faster if I sit through it. All right, go away! Here it isn't. Go away! So how can you be sure if someone's like the dude, the Patient Zero or Ghost or whatever? What's the difference? They said Ghost and then they... Ah! I just heard something and it didn't sound good. Stop! Go away! I'll shoot you! Bro, what's that noise? What does that noise mean? What do noises mean in this game? Bro, it doesn't give you instructions, so you're just left. See, what is that word in Russia? Wait, there's a fuse. All right. Bro, let me in. I feel like an idiot right now. How do I get in there? Do I need like a key? Like a piggy key? Innocence, I've won. But how would I have? Also, I got a haircut. My hair's not in my eyes anymore. Ghosts possess players. Ghosts possess players. But is Ghosts Patient Zero? Or is Ghosts dead people? All right, there's one. Give me that. Self-destruct? Where do I take it? Bro, what do you mean Bro! All right, just gonna take this here. Hey, stop, bro. Stop, go away. Go away, idiot. All right, it's gonna self-destruct on both of us. I'm killing all of us. There. Stop. Why would you shoot me like, why are you shooting? The fuse self-destructed. Okay, so we didn't die. Bro, can you... Oh my god, bro, you guys are literally stupid. I'm not the ghost. Stupid little peanut brains. What was I supposed to do with the fuse, dude? Maybe the instructions will tell me. I did power the portal. Power portal. Power portal. I pressed the thing near the portal. What more could you have asked from me? Oh god, no idea what that noise is. Oh, that's that little stupid peanut brain who was shooting me earlier. Stop! Is that me? What is that? Because it's really obnoxious. See, what these people are doing, they're just shooting everybody they see and just hoping. Bro, the walls shot me. See, look at this little idiot. Stop. Who do you think I am? Go away. Oh my god, you're kind of dumb. You were the ghost? You weren't dumb. You were smart the whole time. You killed everybody? So he's probably bullying me in Russian right now. He just spoke words. By the way, what's this song from? This is from a different game. Comment below, because it's in my head right now. I know I probably played that game. Znon. How could you say it to me, Mafia? I hope I didn't say something terrible in Russian. Oh, are you supposed to press those? Skip is give coined is. Oh, that's where you put them. Bro, I hate myself. How did I screw that up? I could have saved the day. Stop. No, they trampled me. Let me up. Skip is give coins. So the gun's only purpose is to slow people. Ooh, is to slow people down. Yes, I ghost. Okay, well now we know who to kill, dummy. Joke. Bro, they're so stupid. They're just standing there shooting each other. Bro. Hey, I have item what only in on act I have. Truer words have never been spoken. Hey, I mean he can speak 2 languages. I can only speak 1, so he is smarter than me. Stop. Oh, wait, is it the dude? Is that the ghost dude who does that? Like, maybe whenever he switches bodies? I wish I could switch bodies. Oh, God, dude, stop. My thing's gonna self-destruct. Stop. Oh, we're almost done. So I know this dude's not the ghost or the something. Player's message was lost. Players, good, dude. They're probably bullying me. Lose all their messages. Bro, this guy's it. Go away. Go away. You little rat. Go away! Bro! Not smart. You are not smart. Why are you both shooting me? There's only one ghost, but you're both shooting me! Oh my god, dude. Alright, let's call Peanut Brains out when I see him. Peanut Brain! You shot me when I was running away! Now you're shooting him. Is stop, play not! Is stop, play not! Is stop, play not! Killing, go! Play! This guy was just screaming at him. Stop shooting me! I'm not the ghost! Does he think that he'll believe that you're not the ghost, dude? Kill him! Kill him like you did to me! You're pretending to be me right now. How come you were just so good when you're going against me, but now you're just starstruck right now? You won't even move against him. This right here, the AFK button, that's the is stop play not button when you're not playing. 300. Yes. No kill. There's literally no point in the game if you don't kill. Hey, sisters. There we go. Me. Stop. Go. I had to check if that was like a fan of mine trolling me or not. I'm the ghost. I have potion. What ghosts can't have? Oh, wait. So as the ghost, you don't get like anything cool. No, wait. You get the laser. All right. I really got to single someone out right now. Play not me. Go killing. Go. No. So they're all just shooting each other right now. Like, that only makes my job easier. They all think each other is the ghost. I just have to get one of them, like, solo. So I don't want to screw this up. All right, there's the person who keeps saying, is skilled, not stop. Oh, my God, of course. They just leave. Or maybe that person's so skilled, they teleported away from me. There, I killed that person. Yes. Oh, so whenever you kill someone. Okay, I can't stand by the fuse. Okay, that makes sense because, you can't, what's it called? Yoink, yoink. I am you now. Player's message was lost. I've never seen that. Is that real? Me play. You just left the game. Player's message was lost. It's probably losing this person's messages. Thankfully, because nobody's going to be able to understand it. Maybe I'm being a little bit mean. Yoink, yoink. Dude, that's so cool how it just, like, changes your body and then just kind of makes you steal their soul. The portal's not on, is it? All right, no, there's only one fuse. These guys are trash. How many are left? Probably like 4. Yes, this person. Die! Die! First, your messages were lost, and now your life is lost. Ghost Ghibli won. Me. Ah! She says. I figured out where that theme song was from, by the way. It's from this, like, criminal catching thing. People who do, like, really terrible crimes that I can't talk about. So, that's what that was from. I'm sure it's from something else, too, but it was also from that. Calm down, buddy. It's a grace period. Bro, I'm doing the thing you told me to do. What do you mean, calm down, buddy? Like, don't talk down to me. What happened? Bro, me first? Me? Oh, my God. Tell that guy to calm down. He just killed, like, 8 people. Bro, I'm switching. They're too good. All right, I want to actually be able to escape without dying this time. God, dude, that's loud. See, how do you get... Oh, okay, you take it through the fence. All right, one more. You are now privately chatting with Mita Online. Player's message was lost. Is that like a troll or is that actually happening? Which one of you idiots has the last one? That's the dude from earlier. Are you... All right, this time I'll actually do the thing. Dude, I don't like how it says calm down, buddy. That makes me unnecessarily mad. Right, just gonna do this, and I'm gonna get out. I could probably do this all myself, so I should probably just shoot everybody I see. Like, the things kind of all just spawn in the same spot. All right, boop. None in here. Dude, where is it? I want to win. All right, there. Go away, woman. Boop. Stop it. Stop it! Dude, if I'm running away from you, don't shoot me. It makes no sense. All right, last one right here. I kind of want to wait for all of them to... Oh, wait, I can't because it's going to self-destruct. I'll wait till the very last second. E-dance. Oh, my God. Okay, she's coming. Whoop! No! Go away! Yoink! Wait, was she on my side? No, she's not! All right, there. I win. So that's patient 0. Whenever I play those games, it always reminds me that I got admin commands at Murder Mystery 2. If someone like this sees me and is like, oh, look, hey. Then when we're in game and they come up to me, I can be like, oh, nice to see you. And then I just stab them. Hey, how you doing? Come here. Come here. And then you just walk away and she can't say anything to anybody. Nice hair. You have nice hair. All right, nobody. That was the sheriff. You are all my. Look at it. What? It went through your head.
What is this, honey?
She's not even. She's focused on the cheddar right now. She's all about her money. Look at that. That's not flamenco. Whoop. Wait, where'd that gun go? Okay, it's still up there. All right, which one do you use, Delilah? That one? Hi. Say hello to me. Whatever. See, guys, money is the root of all evil. She died because she was getting money. All right, let me just, I'll just get rid of the rest of you and then just join another server. Can you kill the animal? Hey, dude, your pet gave you away. Now I know you're up there. Oh my God. I literally would have never noticed him. I saw his pet trying to make his way into heaven. I'm like, where are you going? Oh, murder again. Chance me 2%. I'm just so lucky. I bet there's so many people just drooling and foaming at the mouth. And just my ability to have. What are you doing? Stop. Yoink! Alright, FNAF jump scare time. Yoink! Yoink! Oh my God, this little noob is about to have his life ruined. This is perfect. This little guy, look at him. Take the gun. Yeah. Why would he? There's so many bodies, only right here. Don't trip. He tripped, but he caught him. That's what the don't trip army's all about. Bruh, did you think I wouldn't find you? Yoink. What? No, wait, stop. Who's left? I hear you. I heard you. Hey! Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. He got the gun, he got the gun, he got the gun. Hey, you're right here. You're right there. But there was someone else. How'd you even get in there? Bro, how'd that person get over there? I can't do it no matter how hard I try. Is that a glitch? Oh God, he scared me. You're dead, right? Bro, how are you supposed to find people? No knives or guns. Okay, well, there's the true death experience. Play Patient Zero or play Murder Mystery. Clearly they need it. Only 50,000 people playing. Are you? How many people are playing The Curse? 155. I'm better than Nicholas. You know, a pretty big lie that I've made in my life is remember the Earthworm Sally video from a year ago? It's got 10 million views. I think this is the first video Paige edited for me. Paige, you're editing this one. So I played this character that you guys probably see around on Roblox sometimes, Earthworm Sally, carrying diseases from Florida to Cali. And I said I would make like a song about it or something. All right, right here. Introducing to the Earthworm Sally theme song.
It's Earthworm Sally. Cure diseases from Florida to Cali.
So I have told 10 million people that I would make a full song of that, which I haven't yet, and I have no plans on doing it. It was all a ploy to get you to like the video. Oh, this is back when I used to give people credit. Maybe one day I'll make a thing. I'm trying to learn how to make beats. Maybe I'll produce a song. Maybe if this video gets so many likes, I'll so do it. The reason that's the topic of today is the dude who made the admin command game, he added an Earthworm Sally command. Wild, that's like a dead meme on the channel. It's been a dead meme for a long time.